the
Okay,
building.
I'm ready.
You recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Not so easy.
All right.
Let's talk money now, because
Okay.
you've made some huge investments
That's
here
right.
over the years.
That's right. Yeah, we've been on a program for probably 4 years now of redeveloping the site, and we've still got 2 or 3 more years to go. We started off on the main buildings, and we're going to walk towards them in a second, really to make sure that we take care of the design areas and we take care of manufacturing. Our focus now is going to move to the outside, so we're walking through here as we go along here. As you can see, what you can see is lots of cars. We have cars all over the place, and our main goal in the next 2 years is to get all these cars off site and actually create more of a campus feel, so that people can come out, they can meet, they can mingle, because the weather's always nice in England, as you well know, and create a new area. So all these cars will come off. The building on the right, as you see here, this is aerodynamics. This is the start of the process. So most of the ideas come out of the aerodynamicist, that's the start, and then it flows, and as we walk through, those ideas will flow into design, which is in the main building over here. But as I mentioned, we want to get all these cars off, and we're going to build a brand new building. As we get down there, I'll show you where it is. That's going to be our well-being building. We'll have a new gym, a new restaurant, a place where people can just meet informally, casually, but also think about new ideas. So what we want to do is always have innovation in the place, and that will really help us with that.
Are you hiring? I mean, you know, I'm listening about the gym and all the infrastructure.
Well, we're not really hiring too much at the moment, to be honest. This site was designed for about 400 people, and now we're roughly 1,200 people. So we're bursting out our seams. Everything's too small. The restaurant's too small. The gym's too small. So part of it is, as I say, is to get the cars out, build new buildings, so it's fit for a team of that size.
Perfect. Anything else we want to?
I think we can probably get.
You rolling?
Yeah.
All right.
So here we are right at the main building, right?
That's right, yeah. What you can see behind you, this is our main engineering manufacturing building. As I mentioned earlier, this is where we started our redevelopment. In here we have everything that starts with design, and you'll get a chance to see that in a bit more detail later, which is on the first floor. And then downstairs is all of our manufacturing. So our focus is in manufacturing we do the high IP, highly sensitive, very fast moving parts. So we have a large composite area where we do the chassis, the wings, the bodywork, that sort of thing. And then we have quite a large machine shop where again we do really complex detail work. But I hope we'll get a chance to see that a little bit later.
Can't wait to see that. After you.
Thank you. What you can see on the right hand side, that main car park there, that's the one that's going to go. So all those cars will come off, and that's where our well-being building will build in the next 2 years or so. And in front of you here, what you can see behind is a sea of trees, and we've bought all of that land behind there, and that will be where the new car park is. So as I say, all these cars will come off, and this will be a much more green, open area. And one thing we're pushing hard to do is make sure it's very sustainable. So the car park will have solar panels, we'll use recycled materials, really to support our goal to get net zero.
How much will that cost, or is that
No. So far in the work we've done in this building, we've invested about £40 million, and we're going to invest another 30 million. So all in all, it will be £70 million in the site, in the facilities.
Cut.
Yep.
That's what
We
it's
can
all
start.
about, yeah.
So we're at the reception, and here we have.
Sound ready?
Możemy?
Yes.
So here at the reception we have the actual car, right?
That's right, that's Lewis's car.
2019?
20, I think it is. I can't remember which one it is. Which one it is?
21.
21.
Oh, it's 21.
We're losing track of years.
It's the Abu Dhabi car.
It's Abu Dhabi car, isn't it?
It's the
You can't figure it out.
Yeah. It's the car that actually crossed the line, isn't it? Complete with flyers and everything else on it on the race.
And it's a complete car, like with
Yeah. It deliberately, as soon as it crosses the line, we put it straight into here, and it will stay there for 12 months.
Okay, so this was fine.
Okay.
Not many people.
I hope you enjoy your visit. Thanks for coming.
To wszystko już?